4. Some people only recognize your value after your silence replaces your presence. They become comfortable with your love, your loyalty, your attention, and your constant effort, believing you will always stay no matter how little they give in return. But the moment you stop chasing, stop begging, and start choosing yourself, everything begins to change. Your energy becomes different. Your confidence becomes noticeable. And suddenly the same person who once ignored your word starts fearing the possibility of losing you forever. The moment you stop chasing his attention, your entire energy begins to change. A woman who constantly reaches out first, double texts, explains her feelings over and over, and tries to hold the relationship together alone slowly loses her emotional power. The more available you become to someone who gives inconsistent effort, the more they start assuming you will never leave. And once someone becomes too comfortable with your presence, they stop valuing the sacrifices you make for them. Many women think that loving harder will make a man commit, but in reality, constant chasing often creates emotional imbalance. When one person is doing all the work, the other. Or her person feels no urgency to grow, improve, or step up. He becomes relaxed because he believes you will continue tolerating the bare minimum. That is why disappearing emotionally from unhealthy patterns becomes so powerful. Your silence forces him to experience what life feels like without your constant attention, validation, and care. When you stop checking your phone every minute waiting for his reply, you regain control over your peace. When you stop trying to prove your worth, you begin to remember it. A confident woman does not beg to be chosen because she understands that real love does not require endless convincing. She knows her value without needing constant reassurance from anyone. The strongest thing you can do is redirect your focus back to yourself. Start investing in your goals, your health, your mindset, and your happiness. Become so emotionally grounded that your mood no longer depends on someone else's actions. That shift changes everything. A man notices when your attention is no longer centered on him. He notices when your energy becomes harder to access. And sometimes distance becomes the very thing that forces him to realize how deeply he needs your presence. 4. NCE in his life. A man becomes deeply attracted to a woman who has her own purpose, her own goals, and her own identity outside of the relationship. The moment your entire world starts revolving around one person, you slowly begin losing the mystery, confidence, and independence that made you attractive in the first place. Many women make the mistake of sacrificing their dreams, friendships, routines, and happiness just to keep someone emotionally satisfied. But the truth is, the more you abandon yourself for love, the less respected you often become. When a woman is constantly available, constantly waiting, and constantly rearranging her life around a man, he unconsciously feels less pressure to pursue her seriously. Comfort can sometimes create emotional laziness. But when he sees that you are focused on building your future, improving your mindset, and creating a fulfilling life, your value naturally increases in his eyes. Independence creates attraction because it shows emotional strength. A fulfilled woman carries different energy. She is not desperate for attention because her life already has meaning. She does not panic over delayed replies because her happiness is not concerned or trolled by someone else's behavior. She spends time improving herself mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and physically. That kind of confidence becomes magnetic because it cannot be faked. Start pouring energy into yourself again. Focus on your goals, your fitness, your healing, your education, your passions, and your peace. Spend time with people who inspire you. Learn new skills. Create routines that make you feel strong and disciplined. The more connected you become to your own purpose, the less you tolerate confusion and inconsistency from others. Men notice when a woman no longer needs constant validation to feel complete. They notice when she becomes emotionally balanced, self-respecting, and focused. That type of woman stands out because she brings peace instead of pressure. And when a man realizes that your life continues beautifully with or without him, he begins to fear losing access to someone truly rare. One of the biggest mistakes people make in relationships is staying available after being repeatedly disrespected. They continue giving love, attention, loyalty, and emotional support to someone who keeps offering excuses instead of effort. Over time, this teaches T, or the other person, that no matter what they do, they will still have access to you. And when there are no consequences for poor behavior, change rarely happens. The moment you finally step back, everything begins to shift. Your absence creates a silence that words never could. Suddenly, he no longer wakes up to your messages. He no longer feels your emotional support whenever he wants it. The comfort he once took for granted slowly disappears, and for the first time, he is forced to sit with the reality of losing you. People often do not recognize value while they still have unlimited access to it. Familiarity can blind someone to the importance of your presence, but distance creates reflection. It gives someone the opportunity to feel the emptiness created by your absence. That emotional gap can become powerful enough to force self-awareness. When you stop tolerating mixed signals, disrespect, broken promises, and emotional inconsistency, you send a strong message without speaking. You show that your love is valuable and not something people can continue mishandling without consequences. Walking away is not weakness. Sometimes it is the clearest form of self-respect. A woman who knows when to remove herself from draining situations becomes unforgettable. She does not stay where she feels emotionally exhausted, ignored, or unappreciated. Instead of begging someone to change, she changes her access to them. That shift creates pressure because people naturally fear losing what once felt secure. The truth is, many men only realize how important a woman was after she stops giving them unlimited chances. When they see that your energy, attention, and love are no longer guaranteed, regret begins to grow. Your absence forces him to confront the possibility that someone else may one day appreciate the woman he failed to value. There is a huge difference between being attractive and being unforgettable. Physical beauty may catch attention for a moment, but true value is what keeps someone emotionally connected. An unforgettable woman carries confidence, peace, intelligence, emotional strength, discipline, and self-respect in everything she does. She does not compete for validation because her presence already speaks loudly without needing constant attention from others. Many people focus only on appearance while ignoring personal growth, but the women who leave LA, Sting Impact are the ones who continuously improve themselves mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and physically. They protect their peace, they heal from past pain, and they refuse to let temporary emotions control their decisions. That kind of inner strength becomes rare in today's world. When you begin leveling up your life, your energy changes naturally. You start speaking with more confidence. You stop chasing approval. You stop settling for disrespect. You carry yourself differently because you understand your worth. A woman who respects herself teaches others how to treat her without needing to beg for basic effort or loyalty. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Read books that strengthen your mindset. Improve your communication skills. Take care of your health and appearance. Build habits that increase your discipline and confidence. Learn to enjoy your own company instead of constantly seeking validation from relationships. The more fulfilled you become within yourself, the more powerful your presence becomes around others. People always remember those who made them feel peace, inspiration, and emotional safety. That is why becoming hard to replace has no NG to do with manipulation or games. It comes from building qualities that are rare and valuable. Anyone can give temporary attention, but very few people bring genuine loyalty, maturity, calmness, and emotional depth into someone's life. And when a man realizes that you are no longer the same woman he once underestimated, regret can hit deeply. Because seeing you evolve into someone stronger, wiser, and more confident forces him to recognize the value he failed to appreciate while he still had access to you. Silence becomes powerful when you stop using your energy to constantly explain yourself to people who already understand your worth but choose to ignore it. Many women believe they must always react, defend themselves, argue, or express every emotion immediately. But too much emotional reacting often weakens your position because it gives the other person control over your peace. The more you chase answers, demand attention, or beg for clarity, the more emotionally exhausted you become. A calm woman who knows how to stay silent during disrespect carries a completely different kind of strength. She understands that not every situation deserves a reaction. Sometimes silence cold. Communicates disappointment more deeply than words ever could. When you stop arguing with someone who keeps misunderstanding you intentionally, you remove access to your emotional energy. That silence forces them to sit alone with their own actions. People often take your kindness for granted when they know you will always return, always explain, and always stay emotionally available no matter how badly they behave. But when your silence replaces constant effort, the atmosphere changes. Suddenly, they begin wondering why you became distant. They start replaying conversations in their mind. They feel the emotional gap created by your absence and lack of reaction. Silence also protects your dignity. Emotional people often say things out of pain, anger, or frustration that they later regret. But self-control shows maturity and confidence. A woman who can remain emotionally disciplined during difficult moments becomes unforgettable because she refuses to let temporary emotions destroy her self-respect. This does not mean ignoring problems forever or avoiding healthy communication. It means understanding the difference between expressing yourself with value and wasting your energy tri-eye. Or not to convince someone who refuses to appreciate you. Some people only recognize your importance after your voice disappears from their daily life. When you stop fighting for attention and start protecting your peace, your entire presence changes. You become calmer, wiser, and more emotionally attractive. And many times, the silence that once felt uncomfortable to him becomes the exact thing that makes him realize how much your energy, love, and presence truly meant in his life. The moment you truly understand your worth, your entire mindset begins to change. You stop accepting behavior that drains your peace, lowers your confidence, or makes you question your value. Many women stay in painful situations because they fear losing someone they love. But love should never require you to abandon your dignity or constantly beg for the bare minimum. Real self-worth begins when you realize that being alone is far better than feeling emotionally neglected in a relationship. A woman who knows her value does not chase commitment from someone who keeps giving confusion. She does not constantly lower her standards just to keep a person from leaving. Instead, she understands that the right Asan will naturally respect her boundaries, appreciate her loyalty, and match the effort she gives. Standards are not a way to control people, they are a way to protect your emotional well-being. Too many people confuse patience with settling. They tolerate disrespect, inconsistency, broken promises, and emotional distance while hoping things will magically improve. But every time you ignore your own needs to keep someone comfortable, you slowly teach yourself that your feelings matter less than theirs. Over time, that damages your confidence and emotional health. Knowing your worth means refusing to shrink yourself for acceptance. It means walking away from situations where you are constantly undervalued. It means understanding that your love, loyalty, and presence are valuable gifts, not things people should repeatedly misuse without consequences. Confidence grows when you stop depending on others to validate your importance. A strong woman carries himself differently because he understands what he deserves. She no longer tolerates mixed signals, temporary affection, or emotionally unavailable behavior. She expects honesty, consistency, effort, and respect because she offers those same qualities in return. That level of self-respect naturally commands attention and admiration. And when a man realizes that you are no longer willing to settle for less than you deserve, fear begins to replace comfort. He starts understanding that losing a woman with standards, loyalty, confidence, and emotional strength is not an easy loss to recover from. Sometimes the greatest transformation happens when you finally choose yourself instead of constantly choosing people who fail to value you properly.